Hello tailoring talkers, so we have got another unboxing, and can you guess what it is? Hi, Roberto here, and yes, as threatened previously on the podcast, I have finally taken the plunge and I'm gonna try out the Ray-Ban Meta AI sunglasses. So let's have a look at what we've got. So first off, I did buy the Zero Fog spray because one problem that I find, especially with the weather that we're having in London at the moment, it's very cold, and as soon as you put your glasses on and go outside, it all fogs up. So I'm hoping that's going to help. They very kindly gave me a cleaning and maintenance kit, so that comes with the spray, and it also comes with a little tool. I guess it's got a screwdriver either end, and this is to tighten your glasses up if they get loose. So this will be handy for my other Ray-Ban glasses as well. And it also comes with a cleaning cloth. And here we go, here is the box for our Wayfarers. I did try the other style on, I can't remember what they're called, but kind of messed that up. Doesn't have the same tearability as Apple products. Listen, call, live stream, Wayfarer. Open up the box here. We've got a QR code to download the MetaView app. And there is the case for the glasses. So as I understand it, these are a charging case as well. They provide up to, I think it's 4 more charges, but I'll go through that in depth when I do a full review of these. We've got a USB-C charging point here. Let's open the case. Oh, it's already glowing green. And I went for the Wayfarers with the transition lenses. So they're clear when it's dark or indoors, and then when you go outside in sunlight, they react and they go darker. And I went for the green tint. We can see our cameras straight away on each side in the corners there. If we just open these up, just take this additional packaging off. So they don't feel that heavy. They look exactly like Wayfarers look. I've got several pairs of Wayfarers, and yeah, they're not as chunky and heavy as I thought they would be. I went for this style because I don't like the nose pads because they tend to just squeeze and mark my nose. And then if we look inside here, you can kind of see just at the top, I think these are the speaker grills, and you've got the little Meta logo just in here. There's a button here. I have no idea what it does. So again, it's something that we'll get through in our review. We've got the Ray-Ban logo embossed on each side in a silver finish, and these are the matte black frames. So yeah, there we go. These are the Ray-Ban Wayfarer Meta AI glasses, and we're going to be giving those a go. I'll have a few days with them, and then I'll be back to give you a proper review and show you how these work. But just have a quick look inside the case there. So really nicely made case. And then you've got your little charging contact points, which meet with the little contact points on the glasses there to recharge your glasses. So it kind of works a bit like AirPods or any wireless earbuds. So you can see the charge light has now come on. Magnetic enclosure. Yeah, really excited to try these out. As always, Drop a like in the comments if this was useful or inspirational. If you've already got these, please comment and let me know how you're getting on with them. And if you don't have them and you're curious and you've got questions, then please ask in the comments and I'll make sure that I answer your questions in our full review. Thanks again, as ever, for watching and supporting the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.